Sunshine! So today I have my November Dia & Co box to try on for you guys, and honestly I am so freaking impressed with this month's box. It is like, it's so amazing. It's so much better than a lot of the other boxes I've received before. So this first piece is from Mary Sky and it retails for $55. I have a hard time shopping for myself when it comes to sweaters because I feel like the places I always go to shop for sweaters, they don't sell sweaters for plus size women. It's like they sell like oversized sweaters and then they call them plus size, so it doesn't look good on me. But this sweater is so freaking gorgeous. I love the V cut to it. I love how it's a little bit off the shoulder. I love the length, and it's like loose in all of the right places. Like it's not super loose on my waist, so like I still have a figure in this, but it is kind of baggy in the sleeve area, which I like because it gives me plenty of room to stretch and move around. It's not constricting whatsoever. It is a little itsy bitsy tiny bit see-through, but that's only because I'm wearing a black bra. Beige or pink bra, it's honestly not that see-through. So the second piece that I have for you guys is also from Mary Sky, and these are the Kensington skinny jeans, size 18, retail for $49. I love these jeans so much. I'm really happy that like so far in every box I've got from D & Co, I've gotten at least one pair of bottoms. I love, love, love the color of these jeans, and I regret sending them back. I would have kept them, but with the rush of like the holidays and everything, I like totally forgot to like go through everything that I got from D & Co and decide what I wanted to keep and what I didn't want to keep. So I ended up just sending everything back except for that white sweater. But I really love the length of these jeans. I love the fit. They're not too loose. They're very soft. They have a lot of stretch to them, but like with that stretch, they also like retain the shape really well, so it's not like they're too baggy. But the only thing that I'm not super in love with is the distressed, like the light coloring on it, because I feel like it makes them look really worn. But I mean, at the same point, like I also really love that too, so I don't really know how to describe it. It's very different looking, and I kind of feel like it's like right on that border of the edgy look that I'm looking for, but I freaking love these jeans, and I hope that they send me more products like this in my future Dia & Co boxes. This top, I would have never, ever, ever in my life picked out for myself, but oh my freaking goodness, I love it. Okay, so this is from Mira Lane. It's in a size 2X, retail for $45. I sent this back because it was too tight on me, and it wasn't like too tight where I couldn't fit it. It just wasn't super comfortable. I wish it was like just a little bit bigger, but I feel like if I had gone up a size, it would have been too big on me. So I didn't realize this, but obviously in the lighting you can see that it's see-through, but from far away it's really not. But this top is like a pattern that I'd never ever see. I'm so glad that it's not a floral pattern because I am so tired of seeing floral patterns for plus size clothing. Like, can we get a new pattern, please? So this pattern, it's not like a floral, like yes, it does have flowers on it, but it's not a floral print like all other floral prints are. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's different. It's refreshing. It's new. It's exciting. I freaking love the color of this top. Like, can we just talk about that? And with the pants, this is also a complete look. And I don't feel like D & Co has ever done that for me before, where they've sent me like two pieces and like one bottom that like really go well together. But the colors in this top match the colors of the jeans exceptionally well. So this cardigan, I don't like at all, actually, at all. Okay, so this is from East Adeline. It's in a size 2X. It's $69. I feel like everything else in my box was designed like young. Like, I kind of feel like hip and young in this, and I just feel like this cardigan, it doesn't take me in that zone whatsoever. I don't feel like this cardigan matches style-wise anything in this box. So it has these like pleated black leather accents on the sleeves and on the pockets, and then the cardigan itself is brown, and it does have a lot of stretch, but again, I don't really feel like there's anything in this box that it fits with or goes well together. I don't like black and brown together. That's not really something that I like. This is an interesting pattern with the pleated leather. It's definitely very different, but maybe if they were to resend it or whatever, I would have liked different pieces with this cardigan so I could have a better idea of what like it would go well with, because I'm definitely not a huge fan of it. This dress, however, freaking won me over so much. There are a couple things I don't like about it, but this is from Sabrina Collective, and it retails for $65. For this being a winter box, This dress is so summer. The only reason I didn't keep this dress is because I'm losing weight. So like when this time summer comes around, it's not going to fit me. It's going to be too big. So like it doesn't make sense buying a dress like to wear like later in the year when it's probably not going to fit. I freaking love this type of neckline on myself. Like I just feel like it makes my bust look so incredibly good. Plus where they have the waist, like the pattern that's at the waist gives me like a cinched in waist, so I look like I have an incredible hourglass figure, even though that's not the type of figure that I have. Like it gives me curves for days. So I am not a huge fan of shark bite dresses. I like the length of this dress when it comes up top, but I don't like shark bite and I don't like high-low. So like I love the pattern of this dress. It's very summer, and I like the cinched waist part of the pattern of this dress, and I like the top length of this dress, and I love how it covers in the back and the shoulders and everything like that. But I would have kept this if this had been in a spring or summer box. But yeah, so that's it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.